Bay windows are a stunning feature in any home, adding charm, natural light, and a sense of spaciousness. For Orangeburg residents, where the warm climate and seasonal weather shifts can affect home features, proper maintenance of bay windows is crucial to keeping them in top condition. With regular care, your bay windows will continue to enhance your home's beauty and functionality for years to come. Here are some essential maintenance tips specifically tailored for Orangeburg homeowners. Clean the glass regularly. One of the most attractive features of bay windows is their expansive glass panes, which allow natural light to flood your home. Keeping the glass clean is essential for maintaining this benefit. Interior cleaning. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior panes. This will remove dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Exterior cleaning. For the outside panes, use a soft bristled brush and soapy water to scrub away dirt and debris. Rinse thoroughly with a hose or clean water to avoid streaks. Pro tip: clean windows on a cloudy day to prevent streaks caused by quick drying sunlight. Inspect and maintain the frames. The frame of your bay windows plays a significant role in their durability and energy efficiency. Different materials require specific care. Vinyl frames. Wipe them down with a damp cloth and mild detergent to remove dirt and grime. Wood frames. Inspect for signs of rot or peeling paint. Sand and repaint is needed to protect the wood from Orangeburg's humid conditions. Aluminum or fiberglass frames. Check for corrosion or dents. Clean with a non-abrasive cleaner and ensure all seals are intact. Check the seals and weatherproofing. Proper sealing is critical to keeping bay windows energy efficient and preventing air or water leaks. Over time, seals can wear out due to temperature fluctuations and humidity. Inspect seals. Look for cracks, gaps, or peeling in the caulking around the window. Damaged seals can allow drafts and moisture to enter, increasing energy costs. Reapply caulking. If you notice any deterioration, remove the old caulk and apply a fresh, weatherproof sealant. Check for condensation. Excess condensation inside the panes may indicate a broken seal in double or triple pane windows, requiring professional repair. Lubricate moving parts. If your bay windows include operable sections, such as casement or double-hung windows, keeping the moving parts well maintained is essential. Clean tracks and hinges. Remove dirt, debris, and dust from window tracks and hinges. Lubricate mechanisms. Use a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Avoid grease-based products, as they can attract dirt. Regular maintenance of these components will prolong their lifespan and prevent issues like sticking or difficulty opening. Protect against moisture and humidity. Orangeburg's humid climate can impact bay windows, particularly wooden frames. Inspect for moisture damage. Check for signs of water infiltration, such as warped frames, discoloration, or a musty smell. Ensure proper drainage. Clean the area around the window and ensure that any exterior drainage systems, such as gutters, are working properly to prevent water from pooling near the window. Maintain energy efficiency. Bay windows are designed to let in light while keeping your home comfortable. To maintain their energy efficiency, clean window treatments. Dust or clean curtains, blinds, or shades regularly to avoid blocking natural light and airflow. Replace damaged glass. Cracks or chips in the glass can reduce energy efficiency and allow moisture to seep in. Address these issues promptly. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass can also enhance insulation and lower energy bills in Orangeburg's climate. Seasonal maintenance tips. Adopting a seasonal maintenance routine can help address weather-specific issues. Spring and summer. Clean the glass, inspect seals, and check for any damage caused by winter weather. Fall. Prepare for cooler temperatures by ensuring all seals are intact and caulking is in good condition. Winter. Monitor condensation levels and clean the windows to maximize sunlight during shorter days. Schedule professional inspection. While DIY maintenance is essential, periodic professional inspections can ensure that your bay windows remain in excellent condition. Professionals can identify hidden issues, such as structural concerns or advanced seal failure, that may not be visible to the untrained eye. Conclusion. Maintaining bay windows is a worthwhile effort that keeps them functional, beautiful, and energy efficient. For Orangeburg residents, regular care tailored to the local climate can prevent costly repairs and ensure that your windows remain a standout feature in your home. By cleaning the glass, inspecting the seals, and addressing any damage promptly, you can enjoy the natural light, charm, and practicality that bay windows bring. For more complex repairs or upgrades, consult a trusted Orangeburg window professional to help maintain your investment. With proper care, your bay windows will continue to enhance your home's comfort and appeal for years to come.